What's up, everyone? This is your reliable company Appliance Fix Lab, represented by me, your technician Evgen, from the Canadian city of Winnipeg. The local company Appliance Fix Lab specializes in repair and maintenance of Electrolux appliances. Today, I will show you how to enter service mode to view error codes, as well as how to reset the software of Electrolux washer to manufacturer settings. To enter the service menu, the Electrolux washer must be connected to the power supply, there must be no water in it, and the door must be unlocked. Let's start by viewing the error code. Stage 1. Press the power button, the display in the handle lights up and some LEDs indicate the selected functions. Stage 2. Simultaneously press and hold the temp and set buttons for 10 seconds. If the washer memory contains information about a malfunction, the display will first show the letter E, error, then F and a number indicating the malfunction of the Electrolux washer. In our case, the memory contains the error code EF5, which means imbalance during washer or spinning. To exit viewing the error code, simply turn off the washer with the power button. Let's continue by resetting the software to the manufacturer settings. First stage. Press the power button, the display in the handle and some LEDs that indicate the selected functions will light up. Second stage. Simultaneously press and hold the soil and options buttons for 10 seconds. If successful, the display will go out for a couple of seconds and a beep will sound. After that, the display will light up again. The software has been successfully rebooted. Our meeting has come to an end and I say goodbye to you. But I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.